So next step, second step, reduction of metal oxide to metal. Reduction of metal oxide to metal takes place with suitable reducing agent. It may be a coke, it may be a CO, it may be aluminum, it may be a hydrogen, it may be any reactive metals like sodium, magnesium or potassium, etc. So you have four topics regarding reduction of metal oxide to metal. First topic is reduction by carbon. So reduction by carbon means if any metal, that means oxide ore of the metal which do not form carbides with carbon at a reduction temperature. So oxides of the metal which do not form carbides means any metal MC, metal carbide with the carbon at a reduction temperature. What is reduction temperature means? On heating at the using reduction is called reduction temperature. At the time of reduction is called heating at the heating temperature. Temperature at the time of reduction is called reduction temperature. So in this process, concentrated ore is mixed with coke. Coke means carbon. That's why I mentioned carbides with the carbon. Coke means carbon. In the blast furnace, they will take reaction that takes place. Take any oxide in this process. You take any oxide. Suppose you take zinc oxide, react with the coke on heating, it form zinc plus CO. Or you take any manganese oxide Mn3O4, it react with the coke on heating, it reduce to Mn plus CO. So you balance here 3Mn, 4 oxygen and 4 carbon. Similarly, you try for Cr2O3 with the coke on heating, it form chromium plus CO. Here 2 chromium on left hand side, 2 oxygen is 3C. So reduction by carbon is over. In case of reduction by carbon, oxides of the metal which do not form carbides with carbon at reduction temperature. Reduction temperature means reaction takes place. Particular temperature in this reduction is called reduction temperature. In this process, concentrated ore is mixed with the coke. Reaction takes place in blast furnace. So next topic is reduction by hydrogen. Reduction by hydrogen is, in this case, oxides of the metal have less electropositive character than hydrogen. So only few metals, silver, iron and nickel. Suppose if you take silver oxide Ag2O undergo reduction with H2, similar elimination of H2O. So the remaining compound is 2Ag. Suppose you take Fe3O4 on reduction, same iron oxide reduced to iron. Here it is 3 iron, so 3 iron plus H2O. Left hand side number of oxygen is 4, you put 4. Then hydrogen is 8, here you put 4. Similar way, if in case of nickel oxide, it react with water gas CO plus H2. It is an water gas. To form nickel plus carbon dioxide along with the water. So last third one is reduction by metal. In this, active metal which reduces metal oxide to metal. You take any example. You take suppose B2O3 react with the Na to form 2B plus Na2O. You balance the equation. Here it is 3 oxygen, put 3, and sodium is 6. Similarly, you try for TiO2 plus Mg, magnesium. The reaction is Ti plus MgO. Here it is 2 oxygen, put 2, so 2 MgO. So in this case of reduction by metal, one important question is there. What is extraction of chromium by chromic oxide? It is an important process, aluminothermite or thermite process. Easy process. You take, suppose you consider it is a fire clay crucible. In this crucible you take aluminum along with the chromic oxide. On top of this it is covered with barium peroxide. Using magnesium ribbon you ignite the mixture. This barium oxide react with the magnesium to form MgO plus BaO. The remaining compound, chromic oxide, react with the alumina, reduced to form. So chromic oxide with the alumina reduced to form chromium along with the alumina. So in case of 2Al, you put 2Al. It is an important process. During this process, large amount of heat is liberated. That around 2400 degree Celsius. It is suppose sometimes they will ask separate 3 mark question or 4 mark question on aluminothermic process. You write it on your own. So aluminum along with the chromium is taken in a fire clay crucible covered with the barium peroxide using magnesium ribbon for ignition. On ignition, barium peroxide react with the magnesium to form NgO plus BaO, and then chromic oxide is reduced to chromium on reaction with the alumina. So reaction with aluminum to form alumina. This one is called as alumina. So last reduction topic is smelting.